Welcome back, my lovely crocheters. Today we're making a charming floral keychain, perfect for decorating your bags, gifting to friends, or even selling at craft fairs. It's lightweight, colorful, and beginner-friendly. We'll use 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Now grab your hook and let's begin. For round 1, make a magic ring. Chain 4, then repeat double crochet and chain 1 9 times. Join with a slip stitch. You're creating a circle full of open petals. Keep your tension even for the best results. Next to round 2. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, then work 3 double crochets separated by chains and repeat that 5 times around. Slip stitch to join. You're building the first layer of petals. Keep going. For round 3, we'll add some 3-dimensional shape. Chain, then make a single crochet and half double crochet. Chain again, then double crochet. Chain 3, slip stitch in the same space. Chain 3, double crochet again. Chain, half double crochet and single crochet, then slip stitch. Repeat 5 times, you're almost there. Tip: use a stitch marker if you lose track. Now let's create the long stem. Chain 100 stitches. This will give your keychain a nice hanging length. You can adjust the length to your preference. Moving on to the small flower. Start with a magic ring, make 5 single crochets into the ring, then slip stitch to join. For round 2, chain 3, then repeat double crochet and chain 1 5 times. Slip stitch to finish. Keep your stitches tight for a neat result. For round 3, chain 2 and work a 6. Double crochet bobble stitch. Repeat this 6 times around. This gives your flower a puffed petal effect. Take your time on this round if you're new to baubles. For the final round of the small flower, chain 1, then repeat single crochet, 2 double crochet, single crochet 6 times. Slip stitch to join. Now crochet 3 short stems, one with 15 chains, one with 20 chains, and one with 17 chains. These are for attaching buds or extra decorations. You can leave them straight or twist slightly for a natural shape. And that's it. Your floral keychain is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your finished project in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!